Grover Jones?
Banita Grover Jones.
And why would you show up to Saturday?
Chiki tukiza kuwa gatandatu hano najyana urimo detention. Yashaka mugenzi ka violate. Twabonye Lishan mugenzi asohoka najya hanze yambaye gas mask. Arebe ko yajya gushaka ubufasha. Lishan twabonye kururwa nimbari zombi yamukuruye. Abana umugenzi tayari. Hari waje bamurika. Ano episode ya 8 yarangiriye. Ko bakabonye umurika. Dan. Hobare bari Natalie na Diso. Baje gutya. Sasa hanze mbazara abandi bantu bakize.
Rescue and recovery.
Nitwa John Collins. Ndi rescue and recovery. Ndimo mwikipe y'ubutabazi.
Rescue.
Avuze gutabara rescue.
He just said rescue.
Yewe nibyo avuze. Sasa hanze uko bigaragara.
You want to open the door?
Mwakingura igero cyose namushaka ubufasha. Nibwatinze. Bahamagara bagenzi wabo. Bana Nyagasani. Bari bazi ko abantu bose bari hanze bahindutse za zombie.
How many are you?
Ye muri bangahe?
We're down to 6.
Uko turi batandatu akarindwi gasohotse hanze. Ni Lishan.
Look, man, we're all thirsty. We're out of water.
Umva twese ukigaragara cyo dufite inyota maze yadushiranye.
Mercury. Oh,
Mercury.
Into sector 17, over.
Sector 17 over.
Why'd they shut it off?
They had
Kujya kupche.
a choice.
Amahita mbari bafite.
They diverted every supply to fight the fires.
Ati bakupche ibintu byose mugenzi harimo n'amazi kugira bazimye umuriro.
Now, which one of you got on the radio?
Muri mwese ninde wahamagaye kuri radio? Sasa wewe bwa Barrett no wahamagara kuri radio. Yari ndabaza ngo ninde? Aramanika.
It's my call.
Yari ngewe nije wahamagaye.
What's your name?
Harya witwa nde?
Baron.
Nitwa Barrett.
Well, Baron. You called in the cavalry.
Wahamagaye muri cavalry. Wahamagaye ubutabazi. Mugenzi baramwanga ngo yahamagaye hanze. Mwese nyina amazina yanyu kugira amenye umbare w'amazi nzana.
5 minutes.
Birasa iminota 5. Man himbazwe. Bari amazi iminsi mu kigo nta mazi yo kunywa. Cyewe tata we nibwatinze. Marobira arafungurwa.
Water has never tasted so good.
No bwa mbere numvise amazi nzoye mwana.
From downtown, man.
Mwana umuntu aramaze kumagara.
You did a good thing.
Man ukoze neza bro. Sasa bose barampinga umugenzi nagajya bavugisha.
I always knew you were trying to help us.
Ati ukuri inshono no mbonye ko baso gerageje kudufasha.
You were one of the few who did.
Ati urumwe muri bacyo babikoze. Mugenzi karamuhobera. Yaragakundaga kuvana mbere kugeza ubwo yagambaniye Lishan. Ajyanze muri za zombi kunyaka gubane. No naregeje nyina wakwiyumvagamo. Kandi Merisi. Arama nigano hanza kundu mukwago kumva yana kwicara abandi bose.
Those are the names.
Ayo niyo mazina over.
Standing by.
Reka turategereje.
So what do they think happened?
Nese uracheka ibiki byabaye.
At the plant.
Hariya kuri plant ku ruganda.
Looking into it.
Turacashakisha.
I heard it was a fire in the parking lot.
Numvise ko muri parking hari ibintu byaturitse.
Not likely.
Byenda gusanga byo ariko nagari byo.
This was some kind of industrial accident.
Ni impanuka yabaye mu ruganda nagari muri parking. Webukana gakobwa hari umusheri wako umwa wagakoresheje arangije aragata kashaka kumuhitana ari mu modoka gakeka ko ibyo kakoze ari byateye impanuka.
An accident.
Haba impanuka.
And what's in the air?
None se muyaga kabari miki.
Why is our basement full of mutant freaks?
Hano hanze hari za zombi zuzuye hanze bimeze biti.
A number of people were infected by
Abantu benshi baranduye.
toxins in the air.
Kubera umwanda wari uri mu muyaga cyangwa se uburozi bwari mu mwuka bahumeka.
Didn't answer the question.
Ntabwo aduhaye igisubizo ariko.
Because I don't have an answer for you.
Wewe wa mwana w'imbaza byinshi nabisubizo ngufitiye. Mana we bano bishimye. Hano hari witwa Collins.
How many made it?
Yewe habari banza mbangaye bakiza hano hanze se.
Not yet.
Ntago turamenya umubare.
Anyone working at Keller Chemical was killed instantly.
Atari kabakoraga muri ruganda rwa Keller Chemicals bose barapfuye direct.
But we got lucky in places.
Usibye ko bari mu ngo zabo bamwe barakize.
Some of the valley was able to evacuate.
Abarepfiriye mu bishanga babaje kuba bacika.
Holy shit.
Rwanda we.
So they're not all dead?
Bivuze ngo abantu bose ntago bapfuye.
I said there are pockets of survivors, but
Bivuze ngo hano hanze haracyari abandi benshi bagiye bakira.
time is not on our side.
Usibye ko igihe kirimo kiradusiga.
Do you have a list of survivors?
Waba ufite liste y'abakize se?
It's chaos out there.
Hanze hari akavuyo kenshi ntabwo wamenya abakize n'abatakize.
Hope for us to get you all out of here in one piece.
Ariko umuntu agomba kugira icyizere cy'uko byanga byakunda ari abarokotse.
How are we going to do that?
None turabikora dute?
We have a vaccine.
Dufite urukingo. Sasa
Breathe the air out
hano urukingo hanze ngo harabarubonye abaganga.
outside without getting sick.
Abatarandura bari hano hanze bagomba guterwa inkingo. Vaccine.
Need masks.
None ntabwo yo kwambara za mask rero.
Not to get out of the blast zone.
Then why were you wearing a suit?
None se wa mugabo ko tubwira ngo hari urukingo ukaba waje nawe wipfukiranye. gute wajya kuduha urukingo utararwitera? Barrett agira amakenga. Sasa nawe utekereza neza, umugabo yaje yipfukiranya yambaye bya maski yarangiza ngo hari urukingo.
Because I've been outside in the smoke and ash for more than 2 days.
Ati nuko nanya mazi iminsi ndi hano hanze ndimo ndahumeka imyuka itari myiza.
You won't need what I've been wearing.
Niyo mpamvu nari nambaye kuriya. Sasa bose nta umwizera.
Why are you asking so many
Ye
questions?
kubaza ibibazo byinshi.
Don't you want to know?
Nese nagushaka kumenya. Oya,
Get out of here.
ashaka kudufasha kuvana.
Listen up.
Mwumve
There's
neza.
been a delay.
Twakereremo gateya.
My men need another half hour to secure a package.
Abagabo banjye bakeneye iminota 30 kugira barebe ko babona inzira yabageza hano.
Got that much time to get your things.
Namwe mukoresha umwanya mupakira ibintu byanyu.
But we're still going, right?
Ako turaza kugenda.
You're still going.
Rwose munava muri ikigo mutahe rwose nta kibazo. Bishimamo. Sasa unyumvire, umugabo arabwiye ngo babonye urukingo ariko nabo yaje yipfukiranye.
Hey.
Barrett nta muntu ajya yizera. Ye ibintu byose bimeze neza.
Far from it.
Ntabwo biteze kumera neza. Sasa ntabwo mwamwe umuntu aje kuba urukingo we atararwitera. Nuko tutangiye by Freakish. Turi kuri episode ya 9 kuva muri Giti Business Group.
Diesel, what are you showing us?
Mana we Diesel usatwereka ikimana nyagasani. Sasa cha Diesel cyo ni igisinzi. Icyorezo cyabaye kigitera cyera gitsima mayo yose yarari mu kigo. Mwana tuwemo bro.
To being almost out of here.
Kuba tugiye kuvana nabyo tubinywere. Arabana no muri iyi si rwose buri kintu cyose abonye. Cyaba cyiza, cyaba kibi arabinywera.
I think that's apple juice.
Tayari banywamo
Apple juice.
Bwana ni apple juice kabisa. Ji ya pome ni hatari. Sasa wa mugabo Collins aza hakuno. Kuri cya kirado cyande cya Barrett. Yahamagazaga.
Who built this?
Ye kirado ndagikoze.
That'd be Barrett.
Byanga byakuno ni Barrett.
Impressive.
Beratangaje.
Einstein.
Hari amusene umuhanga rwose.
Only richer.
Sibyo no kuba bari n'abakire uri mwana n'umuhanga.
Something you need?
Ari kintu abukeneye hano se.
Did you see anyone out there?
Ya hari umuntu se basugeze ubona hano hanze.
One right here.
Ari maraza hano.
Tall guy,
Musore muremure
green coat, gas mask.
wambaye cyari gikote cy'ubururu wambaye gas mask. Karimo karambaza sheri wako Lishani.
Friend of yours?
Yaba ari inshuti yawe.
He went out to look for help,
Yasohotse ajya gushaka ubufasha.
and his radio went silent.
Icyombo yari afite mugenzi kigira kiraceceka.
We haven't heard from him since.
Kuva ubwo ntabwo twongeye kumwumva tuvugisha. Muri make
I've learned enough not to make promises, but
yewe sinagusezeranya ndi umuntu utajya ukunda gutanga amasezerano.
I'll check for you.
Ariko ndaza kurebera ko namubona.
Thank you.
Menis. Mugaburani bamuzi bigiye kure. Tayari barangije. Kureba gutya hano no coordinates nyinshi zitandukanye. Umusore manza agiye ahamagara.
What's the first thing you're gonna do when we get out of here?
None se basi tugane muri murakora ikinagera hanze bwa mbere.
If I find my brother,
Ndabanza shake musaza wanjye.
we'd have a beer.
Dore ko twasangira icyo kunywa.
I'm gonna hug my mom.
Nangiye kubahobera mama wanjye ngera hanze.
Not sure what I'll say after that.
Sinzi icyo navuga nyuma nemara kumuhobera ariko
What about you?
naho se wowe.
I don't know.
Yahajya simbezi ni Dizo.
Kyle's parents, I guess.
Bena amena ajya gushaka umuryango wa Riley, mushuti we.
Walk with me.
Ngero dutemberane. Tujye kwa dukatakata. Arangije. Yizira hakuna mu kibuga cya basket. Tumazani iminota 20 turyamye aha.
Longest minutes of my life.
Ati ne minota imbere miremire mu buzima bwanjye. Buriya iri mu bibazo nibwo ubona igihe kitagenda.
Can I tell you something?
Yewe nagira icyo nkubwira.
Tell me.
Ngaho mbwira.
You want to know what I did to get into detention?
Ese ushaka kumenya icyo nakoze kugira nze muri wa munsi wo guhanwa wa gatandatu.
Do I?
Iki?
Nothing.
Nago nakosa nakoze ryatuma mpanwa. Yebuka bahuye bwa mbere bavuga ngo umunsi wo guhanwa ari kwa gatandatu batize.
I crashed.
Hari umuntu nakunze.
I came to school to be with you.
Ati naje kujinjira kubana nawe gusa. Ahina?
No, you're weirded out, aren't you?
Ndakeka bigutunguye sibyo?
If you hadn't done that,
Hango wakabaye warabikoze ariko.
you could have escaped.
Wakabaye waracitswe igira hanze.
Yeah.
Cyane.
Or I might not be alive.
Kimwe no kuyo nguma hanze ntari kuba ndi muzima.
Either way, I wouldn't be here right now.
Sibyo ko niba iyo nguma hanze nagakanya nakabaye ndi hano.
With you.
Ndi kumwe nawe. Niba bavuga ko America akunda kumutuka ngo musaza wanjye ntuzamutesha umutwe mbere yuko kajya hanze. Tayari. Atangira gukombana. Ntabwo bari kuri gatandatu. Cyakirimo.
We should get going.
Reka tuve hano tugende. Tayari. Buretse.
That's all you got?
Birahangira sibyo nkoreye. Ntacyo nibagiwe. Nakora nibirenze ibyo. Tayari. Hari abakobwa rwose batazi kwishira ngo urabona ngo sinzi ibyo byo kutegeza kubwiza ugura ati Yesu urabona ibyo bibaye. Nta kindi warenza kirenze ibyo. Minsi umuntu amazano ntaki. Sasa yuko yakaje hakuno. Aza muri loka aho umugenzi shiriwe yajyaga abika amakayi. Imidari yo muri basket gize gutya abonamo agafoto. Lishan, Nudo na Kazowi. Mugenzi bari abavandimwe. Tangira kwibuka mugenzi umunsi bafataga agafoto.
What's up, beautiful?
Betu mwiza. Shani moni hunta.
Nobody saw us.
Humura na bigenzi abatubonye.
Hey, wait.
Hase buretse.
Oh my god.
Nibwo afataga telefoni.
You doing this? You
Baza gufata agafoto.
this couple ever, aren't you?
Iyi niyo couple ya mbere rwose yagatangaza. Kiza mwifoto mugenzi cya Nudo. Gafoto mugenzi shiri yakabitse hakuno. Ibwatinze. Sasa uyu nawe ko yakaje asanga
Stealing?
uri muri ba
More
cyangwa
like 1,000 of those?
Little busy.
uri muri amadiski y'abandi ndibiki yewe ndi busy
What are you doing?
urakora ibiki
Little busy means I can't.
yewe ndi busy bizaho nawe naganira n'umuntu agiye kureba hano abona Kela chemical files kuri muza file cyangwa se amadokima yo kuri rwa ruganda rwa Kela rwarimo ya production mike yaturitse
Are you erasing files?
ari ibintu byo gusiba cyangwa
Keller Chemical Security.
uri muri nja muri mutekano wa ruganda rwa Kela chemical
This is not for you.
ibi ntabwo bikureba sasa musanzari bari gusiba
This is not what you think.
ibi ntabwo ari
What
bitekerezo
am I supposed to
none cyeka natekereza icyo muri ambuza no kureba ku mashini
think?
uri muri ambuza kureba ku mashini urumva ni butekereza iki
You can't tell anyone.
ngira ko nta muntu ububwire sibyo tagira umuntu ubwire
Ellie, please.
natarinda kwinjinza
I can make it worth your while.
basi nanagwica ushaka cyose ariko ntugire icyo ubwira umuntu
Are you bribing me?
uri murangura cyangwa uri muri amaruswa are you bribing me
More like an incentive.
oya wibyumva nawe ariko
Go to hell.
jya mu kuzimu sasa uyu musore nta muntu ujya umwizera
Telling the others.
ngiye kubibwira abandi ibintu ushaka wiyahure sasa vayo sasa uzacomora ibidiske sasa uko bari hakuno na wa mugabo Collins
Men down that hill?
mwana hano hanze bimeze biti yazanye n'inkingo hakuno
1,200 meters off.
ewe ni metero zirenga 1,200.
Yeah, I don't hear them.
I hope not.
nta muntu ndi kumva nati ntabwo wabumva
Too much noise.
hanze hari urusaku rwinshi rwa za zombies
Then you fought them?
mwigeze muhangana nazo se
It was how?
bamwe namwe twahanganye nazo
The perimeter this afternoon.
tihumure uyu munsi turazajya kure
And the worst will be over.
kandi bibi biraba birangiye
Excuse me, sir.
nihangana nyakubahwa sasa
Tell
natari
you something.
hari ikintu ushaka kubereka sasa uko bakaje
Why didn't we do it sooner?
nyuma se turakora iki ko bakaje bombe mugenzi ni Violet hamwe na Grover Jones. Hano mugenzi aragafoto yamanitse kiwe na mushiki we Mary. We yahindutse zombi rugikubita. Barangije.
Let's go.
Reka tugende shiri. Reka tugende. Barimo baragenda.
Have you seen Barrett?
Umba mwabonye Barrett. Sasa uyu baba Natalia yamubwiye.
Do you know?
Niki? Yebo gatinze. Baza kuri amashini y'ama madiske dile. Ya hard drive.
This one.
Izo diske zari ziri hano.
Yeah.
Cyane. Imashini yagera ayicagagura arahira za kuno gupakira byapakira. Sasa uyu makuru yamugezeho. Sanga maniga arimo arapakira.
Barrett?
Barrett.
What are you doing?
Urimo akora ibiki?
Hey,
Bumva gatari ngo tuvugane. Arebye nzo afite urukingo hakuno mu ntoki. Barrett. We nta muntu bajya bakorana kuri ibyo wenyine. Urukingo yarwibye kare.
you're trying to leave.
Shaka gucika hano.
You honestly think that man is here to save us?
None se urake kuri ya mugabo waje hano atuza adukunze cyane kuje ashaka kudutabara.
Yes, why wouldn't I?
Utese atatabara.
Look outside.
Reba nzu rebe hanze.
You think they made a vaccine for that
Urakeka bakoze urukingo rwo kudutabara
overnight?
muri ijoro rimwe?
It's not impossible.
Na kuki wumva ko bitashoboka?
Then you are as gullible as the rest of them.
Amana umuze uri umusazi nk'abagenzi bawe.
You've lied to us at every single turn.
Mwana buri munsi woro tubajana kintu kitubwiza ukuri.
Now Diesel tells me that you hacked the chemical plant.
Dizo yambwiye yuko ariwe wahakinze ya chemical plant. Ruya rugana kugira ngo ruturuke no hakinze.
I am part of a group of hackers.
Nge ndi mu ikipe y'abahaka.
And that's who you were talking to on the radio then, hacked.
Niyo mpamvu abo mwabwana kuri radio bari bahaka.
We were trying to find out if Keller Chemical.
You know what I think?
Wari nari wanagereza kuba namenya Keller Chemicals uko byagenze.
I think you're scared.
Ndakeka ahubwo ufite ubwoba.
Scared of what's going to happen to you.
Wowe ufite ubwoba ibwo ibigiye kuba
When you get out of here.
nidusohoka hano.
Grover, we should all be scared.
Ati twese Grover twakabaye tugira ubwoba. Gutaho umuntu tutizeye tutanazi azana ngo atuzaniye inkingo. Ntago we kuki atabanzaga rwiteri. Banza uzana tugerageze. Ngwino urebe. Kananga Barrett nta muntu ajya yizera.
A long week.
Mana cyumweru cyari kirekire mana. Umurabera arangira vuba.
Not us. It, this whole cluster we're
Ati mwanda turimo uraza gushira vuba.
What's gonna happen to us in the real world?
Mana ndikibaza uko bizameze turi mu isi isanzwe.
Well, I'm not Mr. Perfect or anything, but
Ntago ndi umusore agatangaza ariko
we fit.
ndakekanye nawe tuberanye.
What are you gonna
Mugenzi araha nawe ni se matama.
I'm not gonna move damn couches, I'll tell you that.
It's hard to picture a regular day after this.
Ati ntago byoroshye kuba nakwimagina ko iminsi ikurikira igiye umere nyuma y'uyu munsi. Turi mu mihanda pfiriya.
I just know I like being here, now with you.
Ati ntago ndimo nabyiyumvisha buri buryo ndi kumwe nawe turi hano twembi babiri.
That's a start.
Yewe iri nitangiro ry'ubuzima bwanjye nawe. Bakira aho.
Collins wants to talk.
Collins ashaka kuvugana namwe. Sasa wa musore Barrett.
Know that?
Mwana ari umusazi. Bwana muntu ajya yizera. Rwa rukingo yibye hano hari imbeba bari barareze mu kigo zihoramo. Zambe busanga ziri mu laboratoire avana imbeba imwe. Muntu atubwiye akatuzana inkingo ntago tubizi ko zikora. Reka turutera imbeba n'ikiro. Turamenya ko ari inkingo koko. Usarura nta muntu ajya yizera. Wasanga se ari uburozi yatuzaniye. Arangije arekuriramo imbeba. Hari abantu batajya bagira uwo bizera.
Pig doesn't think so. Keep watching.
Wowe komeza urebe imbeba apfa kuba ihari. Nidapfa tugenda rudutere. Banuko baraha.
We've got a bit of a situation.
Nana tugizamo akantu k'akabazo mu kanya gato.
Barrett McIntyre's wanted by the FBI.
Ati uriya musore Barrett arimo arayigwa na FBI. Bikangamu. Ngo ari wanted.
Consider him a flight risk.
Ati rwose arimo arayigwa kubera amakosa ashaka kuba yarakoze.
Doesn't sound possible.
Ntabwo ibyo byumvikana.
It does to me.
Ibyo byakumvikana.
Is it because of the computer file?
Kubera zira files zari kuri computer se.
For stealing information related to Keller Chemical.
ati arimo arahigwa na FBI kubera kwiba amakuru muri Keller Chemical muri ruganda rwaturitse.
So he did have something to do with the accident.
None se bivuze ngo aricyo yarawe yabahure n'impanuka yabaye mu ruganda kugira ngo ruturike.
It's likely.
Bisa nabyo.
But you don't know that for sure.
Nese nako nakubizi neza. Arangije avana izo nyingo.
How do you explain this?
Ibi mwabisobanura mute? Inkingo zari zinge hari uruburamu. Rumwe bagiye gutera yambeba.
There's one missing.
Hari urukingo rurimo rurabura.
Holy shit. He's running.
Bivuze ngo arashaka gucika.
So what are we doing?
None dukora iki?
Let's go find him.
Tujya kumushaka.
I'll handle this.
Ndabikemura.
Stay in this room.
Mugume muri cyumba.
I'll be back.
Ndagaruka mukanya. Sasa ni bwatinze. Kakabeba. Kaguma gaporeza. Baga umwanya.
This is absolutely ridiculous.
Ntabwo bisanzwe pe.
You're either paranoid as hell or trying to escape.
Mwana wasaze rwose kubera gushaka gucika.
I really don't want a part of it.
Ntabwo nshaka kuma muri ibi. Akiraho. Sasa dore ngo zombi rabinjira mu kumba bari barimo. Batangira gukina biroko. Bareta China nuzo mugenzi wa China. Grover hakuno. Tayari. Zombie. Sasu. Arwarashe. Kumbe wa mugabo Collins wayifite nimba avuye hanze. Bano zarahindutse. Urakoze kunabara.
It's Grover, right?
Aya newe gutwa Grover.
Any chance you seen Barrett?
Wabagize ubona Barrett.
He took something of mine.
Hari ikintu cyanjye yanyibye. Gwa rukingo.
I know where you can find him.
Enzaho wamusanga.
Still don't see anyone. It's been like 20 minutes.
Ntaramubona aciye iminota 20.
How's Grover?
Ntabwo Grover yaba ari.
Question is, where the hell is Barrett?
Ikindi kibazo Barrett wari.
I just can't wrap my head around it.
Sinamutekereje nawe yaba yagiye wose.
Is it really that hard to understand?
Ntabwo byoroshye gusobanukirwa.
Probably a psychopath.
He's
Ni umunyabyaha unatoya n'ubwo ni umusazi.
wanted.
Ahubwo ari wanted na FBI.
Do you even know what it takes to get on that list?
Aho uzi kugira ngo uhigwe na FBI ukuntu yabikomeye.
He got us rescued.
Kuko na tuba tunacikano tukahava.
I mean, he made the radio.
Yeah, for
Yakoze radio.
himself.
Nawe ariko
He
yari
provides
arimo
for
aritabara.
people sometimes, Zoe.
So bwari arantagomba kugira impu.
But trust me, there is no good in Barrett McIntyre.
Rwose nakubeshye mu byumve neza Barrett McIntyre nta cyiza cye.
There never has been.
Kandi yigeze aba n'umuntu mwiza. Bose bamucira imanza. Sasa ni bwatinze uko umugabo hakuno. Barrett baza kumuhiga.
I'll look in the hall.
Yewe kasaka umeze naye mushake. Kumbe uyu nawe dore Grover Jones. Kugera wa muti gwa rushinge bateye yambeba. Yapfuye kare. Bivuze ngo wa mugajeri mariti nyingo. Byose ni uburozi. Turore. Ibyo Barrett yababwira ngo ni gute mwakwizera umuntu mutazi. Yuko yakaje arabe ko yarabura bagenzi be. Bya bintu umugabo ashaka kubatera. Tayari ni uburozi. Jazana sanga ruwegamye ku rugi. Kumbe ni Barrett. Nawe baramukoma. Hey. Gukanguka. Boss uyu bahambiriye amaguru n'amaboko.
Grover.
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 Grover. Grover senzi. Grover.
How long have we been out?
Mwana tumaze igihe turi hano.
A couple minutes, I think.
Mwana ni iminota gomikeka.
What does he want from us?
Aradushaka iki?
Information.
Arashaka amakuru.
It's for the rest of you.
N'abandi mwarabashaka muri abapfu.
Out of here.
Ntago turi buvano.
Yeah, easier said than done.
Ahubwo birakomeye. Aba nabo ko bari hakuno.
His men should be here by now.
Muri ya mugabo ariko n'umundi yakaba yagarutse n'abagenzi be baje. Mugabo avayo. Abandi bari mu nzira.
Barrett's been secured.
Ariko Barrett ameze neza.
It's time to get going.
Cyajya ahubwo turebe ijya mbere twitegure gucika. Bose ko baraha.
Why would you hack Keller?
Naza cyatumye hakinga Keller.
To expose what they were working on.
ati nashaka gutamaza uriya ruganda ibyo bakoreragamo indani.
I mean the chemicals.
Amaproduit chimique se nashaka kubatamaza.
Too close to the truth.
ati nandi afiko kumenya ukuri.
They blew the place up themselves to
barangije abanyiru ruganda no barutwitse baruturikije
cover their tracks.
kugira ngo ibyo bakoraga bitajya kwa rubanda bigaragare.
So Collins works for the plant.
bivuze ko Collins akorera uruganda.
Best guess. He's their cleanup.
ahubwo wasanga ndanakorera uruganda bwo ari we waje gusibanganya ibimenyetso no mwanda wose kugira ngo ibyo uruganda rwakoraga bitajya hagaragara.
The cleanup?
kugubura umwanda.
He wants to kill us.
arashaka kutwica. arashaka kutwica ko twe tuzi ukuri.
We've seen too much.
kuko twese twamaze kubona byinshi.
Yeah, you mean the freaks.
uravuga ko twarabaye za zombi se.
Yeah.
But he kept you alive.
ariko gusuza uri muzima.
He wants to torture me first.
arashaka kubanza kumbabaza mbere yuko anyica.
And I know more than anyone.
kuko nijye uzi byinshi kurusha mwese.
So why did he keep me alive?
none se njye kukiya ndetse ndi muzima.
I have no idea.
yewe sinzi impamvu. ariko njye impamvu nyiri muzima nuko nzi byinshi. arangije maniga avanayo bwa burozi. mwitegure mbatero rukingo.
To go find Grover.
He was in the back.
cyo gushaka sheri wanjye oya humura ari muri douche reka araje. araza rwose vuba.
So what did Barrett say when you locked him up?
Nothing.
none se Barrett mwamufungiye humura bigira kibazo. ibyo byakemutse.
Who's first?
arinde nero rukingo bwa mbere.
Do it.
hasi twe dukunda ubuzima bose bazamura amashati. banzage natahera kuri njye atarutwite niwe waje imbere. abiyize ukuntu dukunda ubuzima.
You ready?
wariteguye?
Ready as I'll ever be.
rwose cyane rwose birenze uko bikeka.
Just a pinch.
ni akantu toto ariko bigahita birangira. rangije ngiye kumutera urukingo sinzi ariko mugira ngo episode ya 9 zukugenze bayitaga Freakish. twarebaga episode ya 9 nimba ntikwikuzikurikira ndacyari we Samano. Hasta la vista ni Sankara ba Premier for real. Nabakunda cyane cyane.